So my friends have come up to meet me and hang out for a few days before we tackle the Mackinac Bridge. Yay! Good morning, YouTube. Well, today I am going up into the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, the UP, across the Mackinac Bridge. This was built in 1957, and it is, if you come to Michigan, pretty much everywhere you go, people are going to go, "Hey, have you been across the Mackinac Bridge?" It's not going to be the longest bridge, because that I've been across. That would be the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. But this one is probably the prettier one of the two. So I'm going to explore a little bit around here, around Mackinac City, and then head across the bridge.
Here comes the judge severe. Roll, Jordan, roll. The seventh trumpet speaks him near. Roll, Jordan, roll. I want to go to heaven, I do. Hallelujah, Lord. I'll praise the Lord and heaven above. Roll, Jordan, roll. Flashes, thunders roll. Roll, Jordan, roll. I welcome to a grateful soul. Roll, Jordan, roll. I want to go to heaven, I do. Hallelujah, Lord. I praise the Lord in heaven above. Roll, Jordan, roll. Flashes, thunders roll. Roll, Jordan, roll. I will come to a grateful soul. Roll, Jordan, roll. I want to go to heaven, I do. Hallelujah, Lord. I'll praise the Lord in heaven above. Roll, Jordan, roll. Here comes the judge severe. Roll, Jordan, roll. The seventh trumpet speaks him near. Roll, Jordan, roll. I want to go to heaven, I do. Hallelujah, Lord. I'll praise the Lord and heaven above. Roll, Jordan, roll. Flashes, thunders roll.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how about you?
Oh, I have way too much fun. Finally making it into UP. I must be having fun.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I did make it across, as you've seen, and a little bit of information about the bridge. It cost $99,800,000, and they raised those bonds and started construction in 1954 and finished 1957, and they retired those bonds in 1986. So the fares to come across now are for maintenance of the bridge. For cars, it's $2 an axle. For buses and trucks and everything else, it's $5 an axle. So it's not that bad. But the bridge, it's only 5 miles long, and in the center, it's got 199 feet at the midspan of clearance for ships going underneath. But the water underneath it is a maximum of 295 feet. So some pretty big ships can go through here and cross through in that center section, which is good because you get the shipping coming up out of Lake Superior. Actually, they're going through the Sioux Locks, coming out of Lake Michigan into Lake Huron. And so, let's see. Yeah, that's about it. Let's see. When they built this was the longest suspension bridge between two towers. Since then, they've built there's been a couple more that are longer, but this was the first one. So, pretty impressive bridge, and I don't like my friends from Michigan like to say is the people that live below the bridge are the trolls, and up here on the other side of the bridge on the upside they're youpers. So that's just a short video of that bridge, and I'm going to start exploring the UP, and I will share that with you. I'll see you later, YouTube. All right, and let's see, as promised, now that I'm up here in the UP, I need to put that part of Michigan on the map. There we go. I'm just barely over here. We're going to travel that eventually over into Wisconsin.